Hey guys, how are you guys doing? Welcome back to yet again a brand new video, and for today's video we're actually fitting a cheap splitter kit, carbon splitter kit, sorry, to the M240i. As I know, a lot of you guys are not liking this rear diffuser at all. And I'm just not liking how basic it is looking at all. It is looking like a basic white... Oh, I'm joking. But I want to say a massive thank you to HelloFresh for actually sponsoring today's video. I'll talk about them in just a second. But now, let's actually get home and get started on making this car look fucking sexy.
You're all alone now, boys.
So then inside here is actually a full carbon splitter kit, excluding the rear spats. Still need to order them. About £100 for a 20cm piece of plastic, ridiculous. But we've actually got the splitter, the side skirts, and the diffuser for the M240i in my driveway. So this is actually a really cheap carbon splitter kit, so I'm not expecting the best quality. I think altogether this kit cost me £300, £390 I think maybe. Whereas one splitter comes to about £390 on some websites. Haven't actually looked at the diffuser yet, but I feel like I'm skinning a fish. Woo! Got an elastic band. Jeez! Oh my god, that is glossy as hell. Oh my god, that's a monster. I can't wait to see that on the car. Oh my fucking god. Oh shit. So yeah guys, that is what we're gonna get fitted today. You might notice something right there, but I'll talk about that in a second. So we're about to get all these parts installed on... Who's that? Ah, I know exactly who that could be.
Of course, it's HelloFresh.
HelloFresh is actually the easy way to cook delicious, incredible meals yourself at home. And everything for these meals will be delivered directly to your door. Now, using all these fresh ingredients here, and their super simple step-by-step guide, in about 30 to 35 minutes, we're gonna be eating real good. Yeah, boy!
The thing that I love about HelloFresh as a young guy is it teaches you how to cook, try new foods, and it's just great value for money from just £3.15 per portion. And this is before the discount, which I'll mention in a minute.
And just like that, guys, I've got myself a steak that looks like it's come out of a fancy restaurant that I did myself. What? Oh my. That is incredible. Mate, I'm gassed. This is delicious. Oh, that steak was honestly banging. Best steak of my life, hands down. Now, if you don't like steak, there are still more than 44 recipes a week to choose from. And it's as simple as picking the ones you want and having them delivered to your house. But the convenience of HelloFresh is just incredible. I'd much rather have my meals for the week delivered to my house rather than having to go out, waste petrol, fight in queues at supermarkets, and have loads of food wastage at the end of it. Incredibly convenient. Now then, if you want to try HelloFresh for yourself, click the link in the description and use my exclusive discount code OtherStuff, or scan this QR code wherever it is to get 60% off your first box and 25% off for 2 months. If that's not a reason to join HelloFresh, I don't know what is. For reactions like this, oh my, I think that's enough to try HelloFresh. Anyway, thank you HelloFresh for sponsoring today's video. Let's actually get back to fitting these parts of the car, now that I'm nice and full. If you can't tell already, the first thing we're going to be working on is actually this flat ass right here. Couple 8mm bolts underneath, and then just a whole bunch of clips holding in. Now that came off bloody quickly. I can't tell you, blood. It was 4 bolts on the bottom, couple clips. Job's a good one. That is actually the old diffuser off. Maybe we should run it like the Scirocco without a diffuser. That would look mad. So now it's actually time to head in the house and get the new diffuser straight on. And there the bad boy is. Come on. Look at that all fresh carbon fibre. Looks really good. Really aggressive diffuser fins. And it will really go well with the spoiler, I think.
Installing the rear diffuser was proper simple. Just clipped into place. 4 bolts at the bottom. And we're good to go.
Conscious. ISO. Diamond. Back in my bag and I ain't gotta brag, I do this shit for real. When we was down and we had nothing, we had to share a meal. We put the shit in overdrive with no steering wheel. Shorty thought.
And that right there is actually the rear diffuser all on. And honestly, look at the tip placement now. A lot of people said they stuck out too far, but now with the carbon diffuser, it's actually perfect. So now they don't stick out pretty much at all. They're nicely tucked away in the diffuser. So hopefully you guys are gonna like it better now. I got roasted for these tips, mate. But look how glossy it is. Oh my days. Oh my flipping days. I mean, jeez.
Back in my bag flow.
So next up, we are actually fitting this splitter to the Beamer. And the funny thing about this splitter is it's got a pie trick. It's got a pie trick, which I'm gonna get roasted for. Again, this was a very cheap splitter kit, obviously from different companies. The splitter has a detachable feature. Let me just tell you. Yeah, it's basically Lego. This was like £99, right? The quality of it, right? It looks really good. But we've actually got a join down the middle. Which ain't too good. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get this fitted to the car, okay? Okay, just listen. I know, mate, I can feel the veins popping out people's heads. I'm gonna fit this to the car, right? And then, if it looks bad, if it looks that bad, I'm gonna take it off, buy a £300 one. Okay. Or if it looks that bad, but it looks good in a way, I'm gonna put a pinstripe down the middle. Anyway. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Right, so here is actually the car without the splitter. Looking pretty dead. BMW do this little wig cutout thing right there. And it literally makes the car need a splitter to look good. Every BMW M240 needs one. It literally looks like broken because of, you know, how it, you know what I mean? And that is the splitter on the Beamer. Oh my God. Looks 1010. Some splitters don't actually have this like guard bit, but this cheap one does. I mean, look at that. Covers like that little piece, so it like really works well. So yeah, you can't really see the join when you stood like far away. What do you think? What do you think of the diffuser, Mum?
Eh? It's beautiful.
Oh, come on.
Also that.
Nah, that's been there.
Eh? That's been there.
Yeah.
Oh, you match it with that.
Yeah.
That's good.
Come on.
It looks really new.
Come on, Mum.
It's beautiful.
I love that, Mum. Thank you, Mum. God, she's amazed.
It's amazing.
It's amazing, is it? Oi. Fucking savage. Oh my God. That looks... I've lost my words. That is what the car needed. Jeez, I'm stiff. I'm stiff right now. Guys, so that is actually the full carbon splitter all installed. But before we actually show you guys the full magic, The full product of all of the rear spats, the diffuser, the side skirts and the splitter all combined together. It's made it look like a flying saucer. It is mad. Definitely needs a bit of work. Little bits need changing to match the new body kit, but in just a second I'm going to show you guys that. But before that, are these bloody sheep all right? As a YouTuber, I'm always looking for like places to film, but look at this place. This is mad. I mean, honestly, this is literally on my doorstep. It looks like I'm in Mary Poppins, fam. What is going on? Blood. These roads are mad. Are you guys ready to cream? Yes or no? If the answer is yes, well, in fucking joy. My flipping Lord Jesus, the car looks absolute. These sheep, I'm actually gonna hop over this fence and like shove my dick down your throat if you don't shut up. This actually looks incredible. The front splitter, that's what it needed. It needed it. Obviously, if you guys saw the stock bumper, it just needed the splitter. Needed it. So that's just set it off. And then obviously moving into the rear, no, the side skirt, it's got that nice M2 competition, little canard lip. This is where it's a monster. It's not the most aggressive diffuser I've ever seen in the world, but it probably suits an M2. No, an M240i, sorry. Because, you know, we got baby spec out here. But obviously the side skirts hook in. They're like, what how? They hook in to the rear spat, which then ties in to the rear diffuser. But yeah, guys, that is actually the full splitter kit for the M240. Oh my God. Like, honestly, I'm super buzzed about it. And also, I don't know if you guys have seen yet, but I've actually blacked out all of the BMW badges. So, these are blacked out. The steering wheel one is blacked out. My alarm's going off. The front is blacked out. Oh, that's hot. And lastly, each wheel is blacked out. You can't really see that one, but yeah. So yeah, guys, I think it's given the M240i what it actually needs. That front split, I can't get over it. But yeah, this front end has honestly been transformed. I mean, literally, this was it at the start. And this is it now. Come on! I'd want that, but this will do. This will do for now. Now, of course, I haven't just treated the exterior to carbon fiber. I've actually treated the interior pieces to carbon fiber as well. If you can see these little pieces right here, this little surrounding thing, or carbon fiber. I can say that because I'm Asian. And that is actually not the only piece of carbon fiber that we have. Oh, that's right here. It's not even on the bloody car. These pieces are actually for the door handles to cover up this dusty, musty current one. Oh no, I've stuck it on wrong. Fuck. Ooh, look at that, nice new carbon fiber. To match the carbon fiber on there. And soon, this whole car, it's gonna be a carbon fiber car. It's gonna be a great carbon fiber car. I can say that, I'm Asian. If I get cancelled, I'm gonna be really pissed off with you lot. So alright then guys, that is unfortunately the end of today's video installing the cheap splitter kit. Huge thank you to HelloFresh for actually sponsoring today's video. And make sure to actually click the link in the description or scan the QR code here
And use discount code OtherStuff.
for 60% off your first box and 25% off for the next 2 months. Anyway guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see your faces in my next video.